much for watching, and if you've been here, thank you as well for sticking around and watching my damn videos. So my eyebrows are did already. Anyway, so yeah, on my last video I didn't do foundation or anything like that. On this video I am gonna go ahead and record a full face tutorial for you guys. Yes, I know you guys are probably like,
girl, but when are you gonna come on camera and actually have your hair did? Like, you're always a mess.
you know what, I don't really care about that. My whole goal here is to do my makeup, show you guys how I get my makeup done, what works best for me, and just trying to help girls out there, you know, that need pointers as well. Damn, that's all I'm trying to do. I'm not here to like show how I do my hair or anything. I'm getting off a subject. So to start off, I'm gonna be carving out my eyebrows, which they're already done, but we're just gonna go ahead and carve them out using this baby right here today. So let's go ahead and start carving out. I'm gonna try to like make sure I can show you guys what I'm doing as much as possible. So let's get started. Y'all see that? But it looks straight, does it? Yeah, right? Dude, my hand is so shaky. Why? Ay, wait. Fuck. Mira, pinté mis pelitos. Me pasé. I don't know why today my hand is all shaky, but it is not gonna stop me from recording this video for you guys. Look, can y'all see that? How bad I fucked up? It's like, bitch, go back to your regular job. Don't be a makeup artist. I like to connect it like that so I could know that the line is even. I know, I'm a weirdo. Okay, now that we got that did, let's go ahead and blend it out. This, I like to just pat it on there like I'm doing. Okay, so now that we went ahead and finished carving out our eyebrows, I can never talk, so whatever. Now that we're done carving out our eyebrows and we already primed, we're not even priming. And we already set our eyelids for eyeshadow, we can go ahead and begin doing our eyeshadow now. I don't know what colors to do. I think this is something I should have thought of before I started recording. This is what we're going to stick to. We're going to use colors in this palette. The reason why I want to use this palette is because I have not used it. Yes, they're touched and all, but literally it's just like rubs. Probably the one that I've used the most is, oh no, wrong one. It's this one right here. So to get started, I'm going to be using two of my favorite brushes, which are the goat brushes, these two right here. Okay, so we're going to start off by using, we're going to use this brown right here. I'm going to grab this brush and I literally just, can you see, dip it in like that. And let's start shading. I always just start like this, windshield wiper motion. Sorry if you guys see me like looking kind of slouchy or if I do like this a lot. It's just that my back hurts real bad sometimes. So now let's just move over to the other eye and we're gonna do the same thing. I really hope you guys find this look interesting and simple to get done. So we have our base colors right here. We're gonna use this one and this one right here. Or, you know what? No, scratch that. We're going to be using two colors instead. This color and then a shimmery color. I think for the shimmery color, we're going to use one of the golds up here. We'll see right now. I'm going to be using this brush from Morphe, so I think it's from their gunmetal collection. So I'm just going to spray it with water real quick. And I'm going to dig into that color that I was telling you guys right here. So we're just going to we're going to put a dot here. And we're going to put another dot right here. Now we're going to grab this brush right here, and it's the Morphe M506, and we're going to go ahead and just blend it out. I'm going to wet that brush that I was using to blend, and I'm going to dig into this color, and then I'm also going to dig into this color. Okay, can you guys see that? How that looks now? I like how it's looking a little better. Let's keep blending this out. So let's go ahead and move on to this eye. For our center glitter color, I think we're gonna go for this color right here. It's like a shimmery kind of like, hold on. Oh my god, I finished breaking it! I didn't waste any shit. I'm gonna use whatever was on my finger. Literally. Oh shoot, that worked! I seen girls do it on their videos, but I can't believe I fucking broke it, you guys. So now that we went ahead and got that color on our lids, we're just gonna go ahead and blend the burgundy color that we've been using. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to our brow bone. We're gonna grab our 35O palette and we're gonna use that bone color. Que también ya mero me acabo the lightest, right? That one. And we're just gonna use that to clean up our brow bone area. Do you see the difference or no? So we're practically done with our eyes. So we've applied our mascara. These are the ones we're gonna be using today. Okay, and then let's just go ahead and apply our tweezers in your eyes. Okay, and then for our eyebrow bone, we just do this right here. Dip it in that color again, dust it off, and move on to the next side. Now that we're all done highlighting our brow bone, we're gonna go ahead and move on to doing the rest of our face. Okay, you guys, so I am back. I had to take a mini little break, but I'm back now. So I had already primed my face. We're gonna go ahead and apply some of the professional, and let's just go ahead and apply it to our areas where we feel that we have the most pores. We're gonna go ahead and carve the top of our brows. Oh, by the way, I'm sorry. The foundation that I went ahead and used to carve out, and it's the one that we're gonna be using all over our face. It's the Marc Jacobs foundation. We're gonna mix these two babies up together and we're gonna blend it out on our face. What we need to do now is let's grab our little, what is this even? Our little board. So I just want to show you guys how different the colors do look. Look at that. This one right here is a bit lighter. That's the Marc Jacobs, and this is down here is the Milani foundation. And let's just pretty much mix it in together. I don't waste no product, so 1, 2. None of it. I'm serious. So let's go ahead and grab a beauty blender, which for those of you who don't know how to store your beauty blenders, or you're wondering why do yours always get all hard on you, this is where I store mine. Yes, I have a lid for it. So for any of you that are gonna be like, oh my god, like she uses aluminum foil to cover it. Yes, I do. Because the lid, I noticed that when I put the lid on there, it sucks up all the water, like it dries them up completely. And with a piece of aluminum foil and making little holes on it, it keeps them moist how they should be, and that's how they stay like their size. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is let's pick up our little palette, I guess, our mixing palette, and let's just stamp that foundation in there and apply it. You guys see what I mean? That Marc Jacobs foundation helps this one take it all the way without me needing more. This is the part where I'm telling you guys, like, I know it looks like I do a lot of dabbing on there. Just make sure like you literally blend your foundation correctly. Honestly, this is the best way to like smooth looking makeup. Like, it really, really is. So you want to make sure that your makeup is like well blended, so you won't have that cakey look all day. I don't have smooth skin, like I'm very prone to breakouts, so yeah. Do you guys see this? Look at, let me see, is it concentrating? Okay, I know you could still see like my breakouts, especially right here right now because they just happened. But other than that, look at my skin, how it looks. It doesn't look that bad. Like, it looks smooth, right? I hope. We're gonna go ahead and now apply our concealer since we already blended out our foundation. I am using the same beauty blender that I used to apply my foundation, but it's the opposite side. This is the side I used for my foundation, and now I'm using the side that has the flat to blend out my concealer. Okay, so now that we went ahead and did our concealer, we're going to be using the Kat Von D palette for our contour. Alright, so literally that's all I do for contouring. Alright, now with this side we're going to go ahead and cut our contour. So we're gonna literally just let this sit on our face for like a couple of minutes only. Alright, that's enough for that. Today we're gonna go ahead and use this big fat one for blush. To applying mascara on our lower lashes. We're just gonna do a shimmery lip color. Okay, so let's go ahead and spray our face. We're pretty much all done with this look, you guys. It was something simple, but like I said, that's what I wanted to do. Let me know, what do you think of this look? Is it a look? Do you like it? Did I waste my time doing a tutorial? Let me know if there is any other looks you guys would like to see. For those of you who watched this video to the end, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. And fuck, another fly. I freaking hate flies. Yeah, and let your people know, let your friends know to come and sit down and get ready with your girl. Grab some food, grab some popcorn, I don't know, whatever your favorite snack is, and just come sit down and watch me get ready. Okay, now.